过去这15天来，荒地徛过的数量已经减少1/4去啊，这是比进前所估算的还阁较严重。根据研究，这主要的原因就是全球暖化。即马荒地徛过，恐惊伫2100年进前都会全部断种。
荒地徛过伫海边顶面生拖，伫海边下面找者跳上海边出行，也伫海边上换毛。即马因的数量煞大减少，因为海冰断咧消失。
If the sea warms up, that sea ice, which freezes over every year and melts every year, doesn't last long enough for them to complete their breeding cycle or to molt properly, and that really gives them a lot of problems. But it's one of the interesting things about this study is it's not just the sea ice which has become important to them. We found that they were declining even before the sea ice started to decline. We think other environmental factors like more rainfall.
根据科学家研究组织英国南极勘测，利用2009年到2024年的卫星资料，发现16个徛过生态地的族群数量减少22%，比之前估计全南极减少的10%，也佫悬出真侪。这份研究包括南极半岛、韦德尔海、甲贝林斯豪森海等16个荒地徛过生态地占全球族群大约30%。
Studying over 15 years and on average, the trend is going down quite considerably. It gives you great confidence that overall the picture is quite poor, is quite dire for the penguin.
另外，荒地徛过的生态地伫2023年已经发现的66个中，有14个出现生态大失败的情况。海冰养了伤济，使得细只徛过伤早落水淹死。根据南极洲挖印度洋的一家阿黛利地的一个徛过生态地的模型有果，那海冰继续减少，恐惊到2000年之前，因的数量会为6000对减少到剩大约400对，也就是讲少大约93%，灭绝几率至少36%。荒地徛过 命运是气候变迁深刻影响地球的证明。当咱拍拼降低碳卡价，转向更较永续的生活方式，爱给你荒地徛过的无声音的呼吁，搁爱及时采取行动。公司新闻为您编译。